welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a little mini life as a content creator vlog. I actually did a poll saying if you wanted to do more content creation related things or a mix of content creation and my small business. I do go to my small business later in the day, usually in the afternoon. So you guys voted for content creation. I will chat a little bit more about that. I'll give you some updates since I did my 2024 goals vlog a couple weeks ago, so I'll link that up in the cards and down below if you're interested, and we're gonna go through those together. I'm also testing out this new mic. This is the DJI Mic 2, so this is the newest one. I've actually never had the first one, but I've heard really great things, and I've been wanting to buy this for a while now. So when the second one came out, I knew I had to pick it up, and then I can do content and all that stuff. But I'll explain a little bit more in a little bit. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. And I also share a lot of desk and productivity videos. So if you're interested in any of that or all of that, make sure you're subscribed. And without further ado, let's get into the first portion of this video. Okay, so today is February 2nd, which January went by super fast. Probably because I went traveling for a week, even though a week isn't too much, but I felt like this month went by super quick. So I am reading my notes from my last video to share what goals I had and did I start implementing any of them in the past couple of weeks. So one of the first things I wanted to do was utilize Flowdesk more. It is an email newsletter platform that I use. So if you are interested in any of these freebies, such as my Daisy wallpaper, 2024 monthly calendar, and some free Notion templates, make sure to go sign up. I need to utilize this. I'm paying for this, so make sure you sign up. You can get updates from me, whether it's my work week, any Notion template updates, YouTube updates, anything that comes to mind. And yeah, the next thing I wanted to do was add a digital shop. Since I don't have much to sell right now, I'm sticking with Flowdesk, which comes with this checkout feature. You can sell things through there and they can just pay from there. So I did do my very first Notion template on sale. I haven't got any sales yet, which is totally fine with me. That I kind of expected it, but I wanted to kind of just put my foot in there and see how things go and get that set up. So if you're interested, I'll link that down below. If you want the template and how I plan my content, I will link it up in the cards up above and down below so you can go check out the video. And if you're interested, please purchase it. If not, that's totally fine, totally get it. But that's something that I worked on. So for these two things to be starting to work on in the last couple of weeks, I think I'm doing pretty good so far. Next thing is update my website. I believe I update a lot of the tools of my new desk setup ready to go. It's not completely done yet, so I do have a couple of things I want to change, and then I also have other pages that I want to update and stuff, such as my sponsor page or UGC page, update the new videos that I have, and then kind of update that. So that's something I'm definitely going to be working on for February. Last but not least is things I want to share in 2024. I'm slowly working on that because I'm just starting to work on Tech with Holly again. So if you didn't know, I started a new account where it's called Tech with Holly, where I share a lot of tech products and my life as a content creator and kind of content creator tips. Last week, I actually started filming a lot more videos, and so far it's a little slow, but I'm going to keep pushing out content because I know that's how things work. You just have to keep pushing and things will slowly get together soon. So I've been doing a lot of videos on that. Maybe I'll do a week in my life sometime in the next couple of weeks so you can kind of see my new routine on creating content. It's a lot more content than I created before, so it is a little different compared to what I've been doing before that. But other than that, that's kind of like a little update of my 2024 goals. It seems like I am right on track. I am doing exactly what I think I'll be doing. And yes, so that is this portion of this video. Okay, so we're in the next portion of this video where I'm going to share an update of my 2024 planner setup. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll link it up in the cards up above and down below so you can go check it out if you haven't already. But mainly, I switched some things out the past couple of weeks because I found out what works best for me. I did set it up thinking of how it would work, but as I started using it, I kind of realized what I liked and what I didn't like, and then I kind of switched things out. So that's a perk of having your own small business planner and stationery shop. You can switch things out without spending money. But yeah, I'm going to flip through it and show you the updates of it. So the front, basically, looks about the same. We have this nice little dashboard in the front. This is also the half-letter disc bound, just in case you didn't know. I absolutely love this. It's perfect for on the desk and has enough space to write a lot of things. But if you're looking for something smaller, I would recommend the mini happy planner. Or if you're just looking for something for on the go, super quick, just notes or lists, then go pick up the passport. And then I have these list sticky notes here, which are actually new. We haven't released these yet, so we'll be releasing them sometime this month, so I'm excited for that. It is very, very nice to have. So I usually keep a little sticky note if I need to see something up in the front and at a glance. Next section is goals. I'm actually working on a goals planner for work week agenda, so I can't share with you too much. I need to finalize this layout so I can release it to you guys, but I'm super excited for this one, so stay tuned for that. In my to-do section, I still have my life admin here. Haven't been using it too much, but I've been trying to get back into it for any home and personal projects. Usually work stuff are the main things I want to focus on so that I can just look at it and see it. I also have some lists in the back with my video ideas, and then we're in the calendar section. So I switched out my work week agendas for a weekday version. So this is what it looks like. So here's a page that's filled, and this is this week's, and then here's a blank page for you to look at. So I zoomed in a little so you can see, but mainly I just wanted to keep it simple. I have Monday to Friday, so it's a weekday version. I try not to work during the weekend unless there is some lighting and I might have to do a video or two, but other than that, I try to keep my weekends free because half my weekend is doing chores anyways, so, and hopefully the other half is to take a break and stuff like that, so I have that. And then the bottom you have some to-dos and notes section here, which I've been loving, and keeping it super simple. I usually keep like film notes on the bottom. Mainly it's just filming and stuff like that, so I just wanted to keep it simple. And then I have some daily 2 days on one page just in case I have a busy day or something. I just need to write down more things, so I have those in the back for the just in case days. And then another addition that I have are these project inserts. So just in case I decide that I want to do something, for example, if I decided that I wanted to add a Notion template or some sort of digital planner to sell or something, I can plan it out really, really well and just follow the steps in that. So I have a handful of these in here for those times. Haven't needed it yet, but it's there ready to go. I still have my brain dump here just in case I need to brain dump my life in here. And then last but not least, we just have some notes in the back, and that's pretty much a little update of my planner. So other updates I've been doing is that if you haven't noticed, I've been not having a lot of natural lights in the past couple of weeks. Whenever there is, I try to shoot something super quick. I'm going to share a little bit of products that I've been using to kind of help with my non-existing natural light. It's been super gloomy the past couple of weeks here in the PNW in Seattle. So I've been trying to suck it up and use lighting to just light it up the way I like. And hopefully you guys don't mind until the natural light comes back during the spring. I shared a couple of times, even in Tech with Holly. You can watch the video here. I'll link it down below. I've been using LED strips to light up kind of the room in general, and then I have some curtain lights from Govee that I use to have as a background light, and then I also have another kind of like key light, which is the floor light, also from Govee. I love Govee because everything is just within the same app. I just click the buttons to turn them all on, and they just turn them on, so that's really good. That's why I've been going for Govee, and they haven't failed me yet. So that is why I've been using them continuously. And another thing is the light behind me, the Amaran 150C. It was definitely a good investment. I feel like I might need another one, maybe for a key light or something. Or a background light, because sometimes it can light up most of my room, but there's certain places in my room that you can't light up. So maybe I might need a smaller version of this, and that can really help. But I'm still deciding. So far, I can just deal with this for now. It's actually doing okay, and I hope you guys have been loving the new lighting in here. It's been a little different. I believe the last video was also with this style of lighting. But yeah, I've been sharing a little bit more tech videos, so if you haven't watched the last video I posted, it is my favorite tech videos. It includes tech products for everyday, for desk products, or even travel and content gear. And how are you guys liking this mic compared to the regular mic that I use? I used to use this Rode, which I think was pretty good to begin with, but when I switched to this mic, I felt like this mic is a lot more crisp and even perfect for like even voiceover style things compared to this, which is, you can kind of see the difference. I'm going to switch it up so you can see what I mean. So now I'm using the Rode mic instead of the DJI. Actually took it off. There's a receiver and everything. The only thing about this one can be a little bit scary because if these two aren't connect well, then your audio is going to be a little wonky. There is audio in here that you can transfer, but then you have to sync it and everything. I do love the Rode because it just stays with it. It connects to the camera directly, even though this does connect to the camera directly, but there's still some wireless things in here, but I don't know. What do you guys think of the difference? Do you enjoy this one a lot more? This one's also good because if I decide that I want to talk over here, you can still hear me pretty clearly. So that is why I actually don't mind this DJI mic, especially if I'm doing short form content. I can do kind of like different shots at different scenes, and it still has a crisp audio, but I will definitely be switching back and forth with the Rode mic and with this mic. So hope you enjoy this little life as a content creator. I am trying to find more new loungewear to wear, so I'm not wearing the same like crappy t-shirt and a Target jogger, and kind of be more on brand with my content. That is it for today's video. I didn't have like a solid plan on this video. I just want to give you a little update on my life and life as a content creator, and hope you're enjoying these little changes that are not that obvious, but they do make a difference, in my opinion at least, with like audio and like lighting. So hope you've been enjoying all of that. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!